All right, let's dive in. VRS College of Engineering and Technology, located in Villupuram. Now, if you're navigating the TNEA process, the code you'll need for this college is 1421. Let's get right to it.
So what's the story behind this college? Well, for more than 3 decades, its entire mission has been about one thing: bringing top-notch engineering education to students in rural Tamil Nadu. That's a legacy that has really shaped the local community.
Okay, first up, let's look at the foundation and identity. We're talking about a 30-year legacy right there in Viluppuram.
You can really see their journey unfold here. They started way back in '94 with that mission to serve rural students. And you know what? It didn't take long for them to prove themselves. By 2001, they clinched the first rank in the University of Madras exams. Wow! And that wasn't a one-off thing either. Fast forward to 2015, and they did it again, this time getting the top rank in the Anna University exams. And just recently, in 2024, they launched a new IT branch, which shows they're definitely keeping up with what the industry needs right now.
All right, for all you parents and students making your shortlist, this is the need-to-know stuff. The TNEA Code, again, is 1421. It's a self-financing college, and it's affiliated with Anna University in Chennai. So how do you get in? It's all through TNEA counseling. And here's the breakdown of seats. 65% are for a government quota, and the other 35% fall under the management quota. Pretty straightforward.
Next up, let's get into the academics. What can you actually study here?
So how many students are we talking about? The total intake for undergrads is 480. That gives you a pretty good idea of the size of the batch you'd be joining.
So what are your options within those 480 seats? Well, they've got 6 main branches. You have all the classics, computer science, electronics and communication, electrical, mechanical, and civil. And of course, that new one we mentioned, information technology, launched in 2024. It's great to see them add in programs that are in such high demand today.
Okay, let's talk about something really important: rankings and accreditations. These are the verified credentials that give you peace of mind.
And this is a big one. The college is approved by the AICTE for the 2025-26 academic year. That's a non-negotiable checkmark right there, confirming it meets all the national standards.
For a little outside perspective, the Times of India did an engineering survey in 2024. In that, VRS College of Engineering and Technology was ranked at 224th place among B.Tech colleges.
Now for the question that's on everyone's mind. What about jobs? Let's dive into placements and industry connections, the path to your career.
89%. That's the placement rate the college itself reported for TNEA 2025. That is a really solid number and tells you a lot about the career prospects for students graduating from here.
And look at who's hiring from here. You've got the big IT names: TCS, Infosys, Accenture, Cognizant, Wipro, all the ones you'd hope to see. But it's not just IT. You also have core companies like Rain Brake Lining and Mitsuba. So there are real opportunities here, no matter which branch you choose.
And it's not just about placements on graduation day. The college is building real connections with the industry during your studies. They've got partnerships and MOUs with organizations like Wipro and TCI Elite for actual training. Plus, with library access through Delnet, you get a huge digital library at your fingertips. It's all about giving you that practical edge.
All right, let's switch gears and talk about daily life on campus. The practical stuff like the hostel and getting to and from the college.
So yes, there is on-campus accommodation. They have separate hostels for boys and girls. The boys' hostel has 88 rooms, the girls' has 32, and both have a vegetarian mess.
Wondering how you'll get there? They've made it pretty easy. The college runs 22 different bus routes. These cover Villupuram, Cuddalore, Navali, and a whole lot of the surrounding areas. If you're coming by train, Viluppuram Junction is the closest station, about 17 kilometers out. And the campus itself, it's a nice big space, spanning nearly 35 acres.
Now this is impressive. Let's look at the achievements and recognition the college has earned. It really points to a culture of excellence.
We touched on this before, but it's worth repeating. This college has a history of producing university Rank 1 holders, not just once, but twice. First in 2001 with the University of Madras, and then again in 2015 with Anna University. That tells you a whole lot about the quality of education here.
And get this, for nine consecutive years, from 2012 all the way to 2020, their student chapter was named the best IST student chapter. To win something like that 9 years in a row is just incredible. It shows there's a really active and engaged community of students on campus, which is exactly what you want.
So when you put it all together, the 30-year legacy, the university ranks, the solid placements, you have to ask yourself, is this the right place to start your engineering journey?
Just so you know, all the information we've shared today is based on what's available on the college's official website and on trusted government portals, as of March 2026.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.